Using the Step-by-Step eMarketing Designer, you have access to a huge library of beautifully designed templates to create your message. From the Compose Email tab, click here to get started. The first step in the process is to select your theme and layout. These first four options are layout-based. The blue areas show where your photos go in these layouts, and the gray is for text. As you scroll down, you will see lots of themed templates meant for specific holidays and events. At the very bottom are your automated reminder templates that you can customize if you use the appointment booking system or gift certificate sales system, or for guestbook email sign-up messages. If you would like to see a preview of some of the options available with the layout or theme you're interested in, you can click this eye icon in the upper corner. A pop-up window will show you 3 of the color and header choices you have with the layout of this email. You can click through a few to see what you like best, and when you're happy with one, click the icon to select it. Step 2 is where you choose a header and color scheme. The header graphic options are shown here, and the colors for the layout are displayed on the right. This first group of headers shown are the ones that are most appropriate for your theme, but you can choose to select other header groups using this section. If you click Other Headers, you can choose from the entire library of available headers, of which there are many. If you don't see one that you love, you can also create a custom header by clicking this button. At this step, you can select a background, choose your color scheme, type in some text for the header, and choose a font style. Then hit Generate Header. If you like what you created, you can click Save and select that header for your email by clicking on it. For the purpose of this video, I will go back to Themed Headers and select this one, since I'm going to create a spring-themed email. Step 3 is where you select some seed text for your message. Seed text is meant to help you get started with what you want to write. You can read through the suggested ones here, or scroll down and click the plus icon to open up any others you might want to use. I'm going to choose the Spring Nails seed text by clicking here. On step 4, you insert a title or header, and if appropriate for your template, some images. For my design, I'm going to change this text to read, "Get your hands and feet ready for spring." Then I'll click here. Step 5 is where you add content from your website pages. The quick and easy method for doing this is to select Include Featured Items, which will grab any items you have featured on your site at the time the message is sent and add them to your email. If you would rather choose items individually, you can click the plus icon next to each of these sections and choose the items you want to include. Then click Add Items and go to the last step. At this point, you get to see the message you've created with all the information you entered in this preview window. You can make changes to the text by clicking into the box and using the formatting tools up here. Once you're satisfied with the look of your message, scroll back up to the top. Make sure to check your subject line and change it if necessary. Then press Save Message. On step 7, you can see a complete preview of your email at the bottom, and you can select when you want to send your message and if this will be a one-time message or part of a drip campaign. If you aren't ready to send the message yet, you can click Finish and Send later. Watch the next video for info about editing messages and scheduling them to be sent.